So, yes guys, this is the part 2 of ang Tai Chi ni Mama. So, ayun na nga, speaking of dun sa aking binibenta yung aking ano. Hindi, nasabi ko naman na diba na healthy nga yung ginagawa ni Mama. Ayun na, like, tingnan. Simple lang siya na sumasayaw-sayaw, parang nasayaw ka lang, pero sobrang okay siya sa katawan, healthy yan. Sa gawin nyo na yan, okay din, nakikita nyo na. Pero dun tayo sa pinag-uusapan natin kanina na pistachio yan. Sulit na siya guys. Tapos meron pa akong binibenta yung 49, yung nasa cup lang siya na malit, 150 ml. Meron kami chocolate, meron kami cream, meron kami blueberry cheesecake, meron din kami blueberry graham. So, ayun yung mga meron kami guys. Ngayon, bili na lang kayo, chat na lang si Mama. PM please, tap lang kayo dyan. Ting! Yan, may order na guys. So, balik tayo dito guys kay Mama. Ayan. Sobrang ano yan. Ayan. Ano ba ginagawa niya? Ayan. Ayan. Para siyang baby dyan. 9 months. Nakaganon ka ba? Baby pose po tawag dyan. Aram sam. Guliram sam. Yan. Ganyan talaga guys kapag nagtatay. Simple lang pero maraming nag-burn na colors. So if you're if you want to lose weight or you want to be healthy like my mother, yes, sobrang healthy ng mga buto niya. Sobrang talaga so mag-tai chi kayo guys, ay yung solution dyan. And also eat healthy foods like fruits and vegetables. Yun lang naman talaga ang kailangan ng tao at hindi dapat ang mga junk foods or fast foods, ganyan. Kung tayo sa mga lutong foods, mga healthy, hindi tayo dapat masyadong matamis. Pero yung sa amin, kainin yung sa amin. Yung matamis na yan, minsan lang yun guys, dessert yun. So, bili na kayo talaga. Perfect talaga siya kahit na anong ibagay nyo. Kahit madaling araw kumain kayo nun, okay lang kasi masarap siya talaga. Solid siya guys. Hindi mo talaga mapapansin na parang hindi siya sayang yung pera nyo. Like, okay siya talaga eh. So, bili na talaga kayo. Pag di kayo bumili, pupuntahan ko kayo sa bahay nyo. Nag-hard sell. Hindi guys, legit talaga to guys. Way na rin. Ayan guys, swimming pose. So, sige guys, wait, stop. Panoorin nyo si Mama ko guys, kasi magaling siya talaga. Magaling siya talaga. Sobrang puring-puri ka na dito sa video ko na. Video mo pala. Sa mga puntong ito guys, wala na talaga akong masabi. Hindi na, kaya ayan, mag-enjoy na lang kayo. Watch my mother show. Bye! Wait for the part 3. Siyempre, dapat yung part 3. 1, 2, 3.
Crossing foot taps with swinging arms activate the whole body and release stiffness. 15 seconds remaining. 3, 2, 1. Rest. Next up. Side waist stretch. 3, 2, 1. Go. Lengthen the sides of your torso to relieve tension in the obliques. Maintain a stable lower body for a controlled and effective stretch. Last little push, 15 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Rest. Next up. Cross shoulder touch. 3, 2, 1. Go. Engage your shoulders and arms with controlled movement. Maintain stability in the core to enhance coordination and balance. Nearly there, just 15 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Rest. Last one. Arm stretching. 3, 2, 1. Go. Focus on controlled arm movement to fully stretch the shoulders and upper back. Maintain upright posture to maximize flexibility and release tension. Keep the rhythm, only 15 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Rest. Next up. Tai Chi energy flow. 3, 2, 1. Go. Focus on slow, deep breathing to circulate energy through the body. Maintain fluid, relaxed motions to enhance calmness and body awareness. Nearly there, just 15 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Rest. Next up. Arm swing activation. 3, 2, 1. Go. Activate your body by swinging the arms close to the torso with energy and focus. This Thai exercise awakens vitality, stimulates circulation, and prepares the body for smooth energy flow. Just a bit more, 15 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Rest. Next up. Standing upward stretch. 3, 2, 1. Go. Coordinate opposite arm and leg to build balance and body awareness. Keep movements light and steady for smooth energy flow. 15 seconds remaining. 3, 2, 1. Rest. Last one. Pat armpit. 3, 2, 1. Go. Focus on coordinating upper body movement while keeping your core engaged. Maintain a steady rhythm to activate the shoulders and sides effectively. 15 seconds to go. Here, it means you chose movement over staying
Kala
still.
mo totoo, no?
That is
Thank you for watching.